So to get to my virtual machine on Mac, I had to go through Parallel. So here's how to open it. Then I just gotta type in my password. And now I am in my virtual machine. And now to get to the terminal, all I have to do is go here, and then I can type a command ls to show my list of categories and directories, which is desktop, documents, downloads, music, pictures, public, templates, and videos. And that is it. And then exiting out, all you have to do is just click power off, and you are there, back to where you were.